going on, guys? We got the 2017 Ram 3500 we've been working on. We got it done. I'm driving it. I'm loving it. Let me show you guys what we did. We were working on the axle on this truck. We had an axle issue. The alignment was a lot of fun getting the alignment done. This truck probably went to the alignment shop and was there for like 3 days. So it was a little bit tough, but we figured it out, and the axle's perfect, alignment's perfect, everything passed. And so take a look around it, man. Check it out. This truck didn't have too big of damage. Like I said from the beginning, that area that was damaged there under the door, I'm just gonna probably leave that the way it is. But the truck drives great and looks great. Only thing that is left to get done are these fender liners that I've ordered. I actually swapped the wheels on that silver truck that we had to this one here. I felt like these just fit a little better on this truck, and the other trucks over there, it's got the wheels that were originally on this truck. So just currently put these running boards on. Otherwise it was real tough to get in this truck. I had to damn near hop up, so got that thing going. And the only couple things that I want to still get done on this truck is get this chrome bumper swapped out. I got a paintable bumper that we're gonna paint white and get that put on here. I think it'll look much better. Got the seats changed out. Got it all cleaned up. The steering wheel was pretty scratched up pretty good, so I swapped it out. I had another steering wheel that we swapped it out for. Radio wasn't working, got the radio working. Just swapped it out for another one that I had. I don't know why these Ram radios they don't work very good. Even the ones that are navigation type, they just end up like they stop working for some reason. I don't know. It's just a bad design, I guess. So everything came out super nice. I'm happy about this truck, but I think we're gonna put it up for sale. So if you're watching the video, if you're interested, trying to get yourself into a crew cab, long bed, diesel pickup truck, we got this one here that's available. Let me show you guys what we have left over, because since the last time we recorded, we did sell a few trucks, and we do have these ones as of now. The gold Tundra in the front there, it's a 07. It has 160,000 miles on it. All of our trucks are four-wheel drive. That truck is just light damage on the back. We're asking, I believe, 8 grand for that truck. The one here in the middle is a white Tundra. That was a 2012. I think it's a TRD edition, 100,000 miles, and it's sideswiped on the whole side. We're asking 9 grand for that one. And then the newest one we got in was this Ram truck right here. This one is a 2014 with 120,000 miles, and it's got the damage that you see right there. All are rebuildable, all are fixable, all drive, and all are really great trucks to work on. But that one we're asking, I believe, 10 grand for that one. So if you're interested in any of those trucks, hit us up. We always got trucks for sale. And let's take a look at this one too. This was another one I was simultaneously building with that white one there. And this one is a similar year. I think this is a 2017. That one was a 2018, I believe. And this is a 2500, but also diesel, four-wheel drive. And this truck had damage directly to this wheel here. And I had a feeling it wasn't that whole axle that was bent, but we took it in, we got the alignment checked, and we ended up seeing that it was the knuckle itself. The bolt joint on the bottom of these knuckles, if you looked at it, the bolt joint just was really twisted, and it warps the inside of the hole in the spindle. So that's what happened to this one. I got a new spindle, got 2 new bolt joints. We swapped it out, did the alignment, everything. This was a little bit of an issue. It was at the alignment shop for a couple of days, but we got it, it passed. The axle is good, so we got away with like $500–600 worth of repairs here instead of a $2,000 axle. So that was nice. Truck drives great. I've driven it a couple times already. Just got a little bit damage here on this aftermarket front bumper. It's nothing too major at all. The frame didn't get hit. It's just the bumper. I figured I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. It's kind of a gnarly looking bumper anyway, so we're gonna leave that. Got a little bit of damage there on the bed, just minor stuff, you know, but it's a truck, so most guys who are looking for a quality truck, they don't really care if it has some nicks or damage here or there. If it's small or minor, it's not a big deal usually. But this is the Laramie edition. Unlike the white one is a SLT, so it's more of a basic work truck. So a little earlier we ripped the radio out of this one because, like I said, this is the other one we're fixing, and the radio also doesn't work on this truck. It just doesn't light up. So we took the radio out. I ordered a new radio. It should be here in a couple of days. This is the one with the navigation, so it's the bigger screen. And once we get that put in, the interior will be done on this car. Everything works. Everything's flawless. Seats, interior. This truck is ready to go as well. So we're contemplating which one we want to keep, this one or the white one. Maybe we'll keep one, maybe we'll sell both. I don't know. If you guys are interested, give us a call. Otherwise, we always post our trucks on eBay. So you can, we'll probably put a link on our eBay store so you guys can see that. And we'll post them all there with all the details. And if you guys see this video and you're interested, just hit us up through there. That's the easiest way of communication, is through eBay. So look us up, Quality and Quick Auto Wreckers. The name's a little long, but don't mix it up. It's Quality and Quick Auto Wreckers, not Quick Quack, not Quick Quality, Quality and Quick Auto Wreckers. So look us up, guys. We'll put a link down for you guys. This is what we got going on. The trucks are real close to being completed. Once we get them done, we'll put them online on our eBay store. You guys can follow us there. And that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for us. Thanks, guys.